Hello everyone, my name is Minal Hidurkar and welcome to my YouTube channel Minal Hidurkar's Learning Hub. I'm thrilled to have you here. I have over 15 years of professional experience working as a business analyst and Salesforce consultant. I created this channel to share my knowledge, practical tips and insights from real world projects. My goal is to make complex concepts simple, easy to understand, and actionable so you can start applying them right away. If you are a beginner or even an experienced professional looking to strengthen your skills, this channel is designed to help you learn step by step with real examples, tips, and strategies that I have used in my own career. To start with, I am excited to announce that I am starting a Business Analyst playlist in this channel. This playlist is designed to help you learn everything about the role of Business Analyst, from understanding business requirements to working with technical teams and everything in between. In this playlist, I will be covering topics such as requirement gathering and analysis, business process mapping, user stories and documentation, Agile and Scrum practices, UAT and testing, tools and techniques. Now let's take a look on the syllabus which I will be covering in this course. This will give you a complete roadmap to become a skilled PA, whether you are a beginner or you want to strengthen your skills. This course is of 5 phases. Phase 1, Foundations. Phase 2, Tools and Process Modeling. Phase 3, Data, Testing and Agile. Phase 4, Advanced BA and Soft Skills. Phase 5 is about the project and the resume and interview preparation. Please check the next video to start with Phase 1 topics. Thank you. Don't forget to like the videos and subscribe the channel.